Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD before CPI. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, finally the day has come. Yes, we are going to have crazy volatility because of CPI. You can see that news is coming out after 7 hours. So my dear friends, just go to economic calendar, change the time zone and be careful, especially beginners, new traders. Try to close down all your US dollar positions before the news because market will be volatile after CPI and nobody can predict the direction of the market because we do not drive the market. So try to close on all the positions because your stop loss may not work because of extreme volatility and slippage. Do not gamble with your capital. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Market is not going anywhere. You'll get plenty of opportunities in the market to make money, so you can avoid news trading if you do not have proper understanding of the market. So this is the Forex chart of DXY US dollar index in front of us, and as expected DXY is still trading above the support of 104.40. Let me change the color. Yes, 104.40. And before a major event like CPI NAP, market usually stays silent, and we can expect the same from the market today as well. Before CPI, especially during the Asian session and European session, if market drops also, we can expect 104.40 to act as support. If market surprises us, then 104 will come into the scene. But I don't think so. Market will be heading towards 104 right now. Market should remain like this only. Okay. The only important thing that I observed recently on the chart of DXY is that overall the market is an uptrend. There is no doubt about it, but we can see that slowly market is forming lower highs. So the structure of the market is slowly changing. So does it mean that we are going to see downside on the chart of DXY after CPI? I cannot say that, but in under normal circumstances this would have been an indication of a trend reversal, but news is coming out, so okay, I cannot say anything right now. But yes, try to follow the trend of the market instead of looking for reversals after CPI. Because before CPI, okay, sorry, after CPI, in case there is a drop in the market, then we do not have any immediate support. 103.50 or around the 200 moving average, we may see some support after news, but not very sure. And if market starts going up, DXY starts going up after CPI, then obviously it will break these highs and it will go for new high. So try to follow the trend. Okay, now let's look at the chart of gold. On the chart of gold, we saw heavy selling pressure yesterday. Okay, probably you guys have heard me saying many times that if we see market testing a level too many times, market usually loses its strength. And yesterday we saw the perfect example when market went down, market broke the immediate support of 1915 and market fell sharply. Okay, market made a low of around 1907 and after that we got to see some recovery on the chart as well. Right now you can see that gold is standing at 1911. This is the current market price. So my dear friends, before news, as you can see that market is going up. The previous support of 1915 to 1917 will be acting as the resistance for the market right now. And right now we cannot expect that market will be going in a particular direction, market will be volatile. No, it should not happen. Max to max we will see some spikes in the market. So in that case, 1915 1917 is the first resistance. Observe the market around this area. If market hits the level, simply go to 15 minutes time frame just to see the market behavior. If you see the market is struggling around 15-16 area, you will get a confirmation that previous support is acting as resistance and you can look for a sell position. But yes, confirmation is important. Okay, on the other hand, if you see the market is going up and market has formed a big green candle at resistance, use your common sense. Do not take a sell position. Then wait for the market to hit 1919 level because this is your second resistance on the chart. We are using 1919 level because we have multiple moving averages around the area, and I don't think so market will have the power or strength okay, to cross 1919, 1920 as of now. So volatility of the market will decide. Right now I'm recording the video in the Asian session. Hopefully the same volatility will continue in the European session as well. But if market surprises us, do not listen to me, okay, and just trade according to the market behavior, okay. And the support, yes, the support of 1904 1905 is still very much valid on the chart that we have already discussed in our previous videos. 1904 1905 witness showed us good support in the past, so we can expect that buyers around this area will still be present. And I think 1904 1905 will be a valid support before CPI. After CPI, if market starts falling, then we don't have any immediate support. 1900 is there. 1900 as a round number is present on the chart, but I don't think so 1900 will be able to hold the market after news. Before news, yes, we can expect that in case 1904 fails, 1900 will come for rescue, because we can see in the contracts data here, this is 1900. You can see we have a huge number of open interest around at 1900 level. Okay, so 1900 level is there as the support of the market. Okay. But after news, to be honest, I am not sure, because after news things are a little bit, okay, crazy, okay. But if we look at the contracts data here, the one thing that I notice here is that, okay, where is 19? Yeah, there it is. Okay, you can see that we have negative change in open interest here at 1925 1930 1935. Maybe this is an indication that gold will be going up after the news. Maybe, I'm not sure right now, but because see, people are winding up their positions. People are winding up their positions from 1925 1930 level. So there may be a possibility that we will get to see upside on the chart of gold, downside on the chart of DXY, maybe. So let's wait and watch. Okay, so today is a news day, big day. Be careful, do not gamble. The levels that I discussed on the video today, that the levels that I showed on the video today, keep in mind, are for before CPI only, because when the news will be dominating the market, when fundamentals will dominate the market, the technicals will not work. Most of the time we see that fundamentals win the battle, and that is a harsh reality. As a trader, it is very essential, important for you to understand when the technicals will work, when the fundamentals will work, when to trust the technicals, when to trust the fundamentals. So that's why at the beginning of the video I told you guys that try to follow the trend of the market after the news instead of looking for reversals. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Follow proper risk management. All the best. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.